Hello YouTube, Maisie here. Alright, another project. I've got my computer desk or office desk inside. It's a little bit of a mess. There's a picture. Alright, now I've gone down to the local hardware shop and I bought a couple of sheets of wood, and we're going to cut it up and make myself a set of shelves on top of my office desk to fit my computer screens and my paperwork and stuff on it. So here we are. If you want to watch, here's a bit of a video I'm going to make on how I did that. Okay, this is what we require to build these shelves. A straight edge piece of metal, some G-clamps, circular saw, earmuffs, safety glasses, tape measure, nails, drill, screws, some tape to put on the drill, I'll show you later, some Phillips bits, cordless drill, some, what are they, 8mm by 50mm, whatever they call these things, hold the shelves together, another G-clamp, screwdrivers, spirit level, hammer, edging tape, whatever, if that's what you call it, and of course a pencil. Alright, let's get started. Okay, we've cut the wood now. We're just marking out the sides where the different shelf distance. I've gone and measured up my computer stuff. Trevor's just marking where we got to drill the holes. Alright. Okay, the reason I wanted the black tape was to put on the end of the drill piece. I'm trying not to shadow. To drill so you don't drill through the other side of the timber. Okay, it's coming together alright. We've got the side on and the 3 shelves put on there already. So I'm putting the screws in from the end, and this is the other side, so we've got the dowel holes ready and screw holes to put the screws in. Okay, we got the back on. And I put nails all along the back to hold it from twisting so it doesn't fall sideways. Cool. Okay YouTube, we've kind of got it all together. Trev's just putting the tape on the edges so you can't see the wood. We've got an iron with a sock over it so it doesn't leave any black marks on there, because I only had white wood at the hardware shop. Alright, yeah, cool, look at that, we've got plenty of shelves. Okay YouTube, here I've got all my computer screens in the cupboard now. I've got the computer, the UPS backup, so you know, keyboard, laptop, phone, paperwork, just bric-a-brac. And that's how it ended up. I've still got to go back down to the hardware shop and get some more edging because we ran out of edging. But I can do that later. Alright YouTube, hopefully you like this one, and I'll get a bit more time on the off-grid system in the shed and put up a couple more videos of that. Alright YouTube, hope you enjoy. I'm going to chuck a few photographs on the end of this one, and I'll catch you. Maisie out.